Hi guys, it's your number one Dora fashion inspiration. In today's video, if you are tired of hair breakage or you are thinking of what kind of herbs, Ayurvedic herbs oil can I use to grow back my edge, to grow back my hair, to make it more fuller and thicker, I will say that this video is for you. I will be sharing with you some few tips that I use for my hair growth journey that is working perfectly for me. If you have a low porosity hair or a high one, this video is for you also. So I'll be listing it out one by one for you. This is my bottle that I will be using for it. Let's step it aside first. So this is it. This is Chebe herbs hair. You guys can know it. If you go to Aboki, you will see it there. They're selling it very well. This Chebe powder is if you are looking for, if you want your hair to grow more longer, I will recommend this Chebe powder for you. It helps for length retention. Then this one is black seed, guys. You can see it. This black seed help to promote your hair, and it also reduce hair falling. If your hair is breaking, I will tell you to put this black seed herbs on your hair growth journey. This one is neem powder. It fights scalp infection, and it also helps if your hair is itching you. I will tell you to also put this neem powder in your hair growth journey. And this one is my clove. I have already used half of it, so I'll be using this one. You don't need too much of this thing. This is clove. You guys know, or you all know about this clove. This is help to stimulate blood circulation. That is the work, so you need it in your hair journey. And this one is fenugreek. You can see it perfectly well. This is fenugreek, guys. It helps to strengthen your hair I say. And this one is my zobo leaf. You can see it's zobo. This one is good also. It is the main of them all, so you need to add it for if you want that shining hair and also to help your hair to grow more faster. I will also tell you to put this zobo leaf. So, and this one is my rosemary leaf. You can see it's so good. If you want your hair to grow more longer, more fuller, I will tell you to also put this rosemary in your hair journey. So after the herbs, these are my oil that I will be using. This is amlan oil. You can see it, amlan oil. This amlan oil helps to promote your hair faster. It is also rich in vitamin C, and if you want your hair, if you want hair volume, I will tell you to also put this amlan oil on your hair. And this one is Jamaica castor oil. I bought it from Temo app, and the oil is so good. Since I started using this castor oil, my edges that has been looking like an old woman has already grown back more fuller and even more thicker. So if you want a fuller hair, also add this castor oil on your hair growth journey. And this one is my coconut oil, guys. I have already used from it, so this is not my first time. I have already started using from this coconut oil. It deeply penetrates your hair, and it also helps to reduce protein loss. If you have already lost protein or hair protein, if you don't want to lose your hair protein, I also tell you to use this coconut oil on your hair. And this one is the oga of them all. This one is for my high porosity babe in the house. That is olive oil. This olive oil is so nice, so good. It will keep your hair more moisturized, amazing and nice. So that is all I have for you guys for my hair growth journey. So the next thing we need to do, so guys, now it's time to mix everything together. You guys will see how I'm doing it. This is the clove. You can see the thing is not much. You don't have to use this clove too much. So I don't want to waste time, guys, so that the video will not be too long for you to watch. This is the fenugreek. You can see it, how it looks. You can put, the reason why I will be putting a 3 spoon is I'm using it with me and my baby girl is using this hair oil, so I need to make it to be more, to last more longer. So this one is the neem leaf, neem powder. So I'm putting this one only 1.5. You don't have to overload these herbs so that it will not cause you harm than good. So this is the black seed. You can see it. You can see how I'm putting everything. So, and this one is the chebe powder. See how it looks. And 2. So guys, after adding the chebe leaf, the next thing to add is my rosemary. You can see it. Yeah, my rosemary. You see, I'm adding this rosemary 3 spoons. I need it. So after adding the rosemary, we go in with our zobo. So guys, we add our zobo leaf. The zobo that I took is not much, so that is the reason why I'm putting it like many spoons. So we are done with that one. You can see how it looks inside. So you have to mix all of it together. You can see it. You can also pound it, or if you want, you can pound it like all those ones. You pound it, all those ones that is not powdered, you pound it. See how the castor oil look like. So I'll be putting, see, I'll be putting in 2 tablespoons. So guys, I'll be adding the castor oil. I added 2 tablespoons. Now my amlan oil, you can see it, guys. Amlan oil. This one, I don't have strength to begin to open it, so I have to know the measurements I'm putting inside. So if you want your own if you want to measure your own amlan oil, you just put 2 spoons or 3. You can see. So after that, the next one to add is my coconut oil. You can see it, coconut oil. Yeah. I'm adding in 3 spoons. I don't want this video to be too long. To do some cleaning. So after adding in the other oil, so we go in with our olive oil. You can see it. You can use 2. It's just only 1. Now only 1 I get for now, so I'm using it. You can see that the smell. It's smelling like a jollof rice. See it, guys. See. Use your spoon or whatsoever you're using to turn it to. So guys, I'm done mixing everything together. You can see how it looks inside. So what you need to do now is to cover it. Where did I even you cover it, guys. Some people used to do double boiling. That is, you put water inside your pot, then you put this bottle of your oil inside and allow it to boil for some minutes. Then you remove it and let it cool. Then you shift out. You remove the oil. You use your shifter, or is it shifter? You use your that net. Use it to remove this herbs, and then you pour your oil inside whatsoever you. So if you cannot do a double boiling, you can keep it in a cool place for 2 weeks. You keep it in a cool place for 2 weeks. So this is what I always use for my hair oil. I use this one to put my oil. You can see that the oil is finished, so that is the reason why I'm making another one. So that is it for today. Don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and subscribe for more, guys. You can also keep this one for 2 weeks if you don't want to double boil. So if you want to start using it immediately, you boil it. After boiling, that is double boiling method. After that one, you can start using it immediately. But if you want it to wait, keep it for some weeks. So if you don't want to use a double boiling method, you keep it for like 2 weeks before you start using it. So that is all I have for you guys.